What is an M.2 slot and how to install an SSD? Imagine upgrading your gaming PC with lightning-fast storage that makes your games load in seconds. That's where the M.2 slot comes into play. It's a small connector on your motherboard designed to hold a tiny, rectangular piece of hardware called an M.2 solid-state drive. These drives are much smaller than traditional hard drives and even older SSDs, measuring about 22 millimeters wide and usually 80 millimeters long, which is often called 20-80 size. The M.2 slot replaces older standards like M.SATA and Mini PCI Express, offering a more compact and high-performance way to add storage. It supports different connection types, mainly PCI Express and Serial Advanced Technology Attachment, or SATA. For gaming, PCI Express drives using the Non-Volatile Memory Express protocol are the best because they deliver faster speeds and lower latency. This means your games will load quicker, and your system will respond faster overall. Installing an M.2 SSD is pretty straightforward. First, you need to find the M.2 slot on your motherboard. It's usually near the CPU socket or close to the PCI Express slots. Check your motherboard manual if you're unsure because some motherboards have multiple M.2 slots, and their speeds can vary. The slot closest to the CPU often provides the fastest connection. Next, prepare your motherboard by removing any screws or covers that protect the M.2 slot. Carefully align the SSD so that the notch on the drive matches the key in the slot. Gently insert the drive at a slight angle, around 30 degrees, making sure it's fully seated. Once in place, press the drive down flat against the motherboard and secure it with the screw or clip that came with your motherboard. Some motherboards now have snap-on clips instead of screws, which makes installation even easier. After installing the drive, put your PC back together if you had to open it up. When you power on your computer, go into the BIOS or UEFI settings. You might need to initialize or format the new SSD before it shows up in your operating system. Once formatted, you can set it as your primary drive for your games or use it as extra storage space. Using an M.2 NVMe SSD in your gaming setup can seriously cut down game load times and improve how smoothly open-world games stream textures. Plus, because these drives are so small, they don't take up much space inside your case, helping airflow stay good for cooling your high-performance components. In short, the M.2 slot is a modern, efficient way to add fast storage to your PC. Installing an M.2 SSD involves locating the slot, inserting the drive at the right angle, securing it, and then setting it up in your system. It's a simple upgrade that can make a big difference in your gaming experience.